So I'm here with Emil Kristensen of Audio Group Denmark, and you guys are launching some new products here in Vienna.
We do. Inside this room we have 3 new products. So one thing that we are launching here is a new A-Series. So this is one step above the X that we already have. So this pair of stem mounts are 10,000 euros. So that will roughly be around 11,000-ish in US dollars. Also new subs from Børresen, new entry bass modules. Those are the BM2s. Those are 9,000 euros, so approximately 10,000.
For the pair?
For one.
For one, okay.
For a piece, yeah.
Yeah, okay.
And then here in the back line we have the new Aavik entry level actually. So this is 15,000 euro for an all-in-one box integrated 300 watt Class D streamer DAC combo. Called the U-301, so it's sort of a tribute to the old U-300 where Aavik began as a journey for us. So yeah, it can stream, has included DAC and amplification as well. So
yeah, and you're saying it's Class D. So do you design your own Class D
well,
circuits?
we use a Danish manufacturer of Class D modules called Pascal.
Who are mostly known in the pro audio world, but are showing up in more and more consumer products as well.
They do. We've been working with them since we started with the Aavik line. So it was also a Pascal module we had in the old U-300 back 6-7 years ago. Of course, it has been updated, and there comes almost a new chipset every year. So this is with the newest chipset of the Pascals. But yeah, it's a 300 watt Class D sitting in this one.
Yeah, and so this is a combination of all your brands essentially, because there's also Ansus cables.
Exactly. So everything here is wired with Ansus. In this case, it's the A3 cable line. We have here also A3 power switch, A3 power distribution bar. So that's not the entry level, but it's a fairly affordable system that we have here. So I guess all in all, with everything included, with the subs and speakers and everything, we're maybe roughly talking about 40,000-50,000 euro or so.
Well, affordable depends on your perspective, but yes, that is at least within the theoretically attainable range for someone who's got a decent salary.
Compared to the other rooms we have going on here, it's
a lot of all-out assaults at the show. But so this is the more dialed back setup.
It is indeed, yeah.
And what about availability? Are all of these new products in production already, or are they coming soon? Or?
They're coming soon. So I believe the speaker and the amp itself will be in a couple of months, and the BM2s will be October, as far as I know. So it's everything is coming up this year. So this was really the first sort of chance we have to showcase what we have been working on, and we're very excited about it because I think it fills sort of a hole that was before, where it suddenly got very expensive to go through the lines. Now it's more accessible in some sort of sense. Yeah.
Okay. Thank you very much.
Yeah. No worries.